What up, friends? Did y'all change your outfits so you wouldn't look like me wearing the same thing I had yesterday? Good deal. Glad to see you again. Welcome to lesson 6.1, which is finding the area of a rectangle with fractional side lengths. Finding the angle of a rectangle. Piece of cake, not a problem. 5th grade skill. Finding an area of a rectangle with fractional side lengths. Cruel and unusual punishment via 6th grade skills. But whatevs. This unit, you can all say you're doing advanced math and tell your parents that you're amazingly talented and gifted and, on top of being hilarious and just beautiful and all of that. Like a triple threat, man. So anyway, lesson 6.1, finding area using fractional side lengths. I can find the area of a rectangle with fractional side lengths by counting square units. No. And by using a formula. Yes. Find the area of a rectangle that is 3/5 of a foot by 4/5 of a foot. Oi, oi, oi. You can draw on this slide if you like. I'm going to just assume, and I'm going to sneak a peek forward. Yeah, they're going to want us to draw a picture. What's up with that? But I'm going to come back and did we draw pictures for multiplying? I don't know. You know it's length times width. Why don't we just multiply length times width? Because we know that's what we're going to do. 3/5 times 4/5 is going to equal 12/25 of a foot squared. Okay? But sure, if you want to get all freaky-deaky and do the picture, it's going to look like something like this. You're going to have a rectangle. That's okay. That's a 3. Oh, no. Oh, this is such a pain. This is such a pain. This is such a pain. But I'm going to do it because this is what they want you to do. So your rectangle is divided into fifths like this. I get what they're doing here, but it kind of irritates me. And then your rectangle is divided by this. Okay? So you're divided into fifths going in both directions. Are you with me? Okay, so the whole length of a rectangle, the whole length of the rectangle is 1, and the whole height of the rectangle is 1 that I'm using for my picture. And then the rectangle is, let's see, highlighter is, so let's say I'm going to go 3/5, bigger pen. So shade 3/5 like this. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Okay, that's 3/5 shaded. Would you agree? Of course you would. And then the other direction, you're going to shade it by 4/5. What a pain. So I'm going to go. Oh, come on. Let's see how this works out. Oh, that's not too bad. I'm really good at this. So, and then you're going to count 3/5 by 4/5. What you're counting is the part that is double shaded. And how many parts have I shaded? 12 out of a total of 25. You going to draw that every time? Me neither. Plus, I'm already 3 minutes into this lesson, and I got 8 slides to go to in the next 7 minutes. Come on, man. Moving on. Okay, let's clear my work. So that's exactly what the book wanted us to do. Draw a square, divide it into fractional units. Each small square has an area of 1/25. There's 12 squares in the shaded rectangle. So the area of the rectangle besides 3/5 and 4/5 is 12/25 of a foot. Blah, 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 blah. Or using your 6th grade skills, we can just multiply. Well, Mr. McCarthy, that's a 6th grade skill. Why is it so easy? Well, just wait. Any questions? Well, too bad. I can't answer them. Email your teacher. Email me at Schoology. I don't care. Maybe I'll answer them, or maybe I'll just forward your message to your teacher. Who knows? Oh, this must be Mr. Math Antics. Oh, no, it's not, because he usually has himself. This looks like Khan Academy. So pause this, jump to the slides link. This will be on slide number 6. Go watch the Khan Academy. I'm going to hang out, have a sip of my water. I'm going to give you a 5-second pause to do that for as long as you need to, and then I'm going to just keep on keeping on. All right, here we go. We're gonna keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on dancing on through the night. Sing that one to your parents once, they'll laugh. That's like old-timey stuff. Oh, guided learning. Find the area of a rectangle that is 3/4 of a foot by 2/3 of a foot in 2 ways. Well, we could goof around drawing this picture and get your 3/4 there by 2/3 there and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 12. So it's divided in 12 equal parts. 6 are shaded, therefore 6/12, or hello, 1/2 is shaded. The area of the rectangle 2/3 by 3/4 is 1/2. Also, 2/3 times 3/4. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Simplifies to 1/2. Or if you remember this trick, oh, there's a 3, there's a 3. Divide each by 3. You got 2 times 1 is 1. 1 times... Not 2 times 1 is 1. 2 and 4 can also be simplified. Now you got 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Even the best of us make mistakes sometime. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Oh, I already did that part, book. Come on. Again, 2/3 times 3/4, 6/12, 1/2. And I always like to circle my final answer. Oh, wait. That's the mouth. This is his body. Yay! Oh my gosh. You get a little punchy after doing a few dozen of these, and you got to find ways to keep yourself entertained. Locked up in my basement like a troll who can't be out seeing the world. Oh, for crying out loud. All right, now we've got finding the area of a rectangle whose sides lengths are mixed numbers. Oh, jeepers creepers. So what they're asking us to do is finding this top, so it's the green rectangle that we're calculating, that I just highlighted in pink because I'm a contrarian or an anarchist or whatever you want to call it. This green rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half by 1/3. 4.5 by 1. I don't think any of this. There are 4 squares that are 1/3 shaded. That part. What? Oh. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I see what they're trying to say. There are 4 squares that are 1/3 shaded. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4/3. And then there's another part that's a 1/6 shaded, which is 1/6, 4/3 plus 1/6, which is 8/6 plus 1/6 is 9/6, which simplifies to 1 3/6, or 1.5. Oh my goodness. I mean, I get it, but I don't love it. If it's me, I'm doing 4.5 times 1/3, and then I'm changing 4.5 to 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9/2 times 1/3. And I can do 9 times 1 and get 9/6, which brings me right over there. Or I could simplify the 9 and the 3 by dividing each by 3. I get 3 times 1 is 3/2. I get 3. Hey, look at that. 3/2, which equals, sorry, that's not my final answer, equals 1 1/2. Am I going fast? I don't know. I don't know how to slow it down. These just seem pretty blunt. Plus, it's 9 minutes, and I'm supposed to keep them under 10. You guys don't want to listen to me all day? You got like, I don't know, what's the game now? I don't want to name a game in case we use these videos forever and they're like dated, but I could say Mario Kart. You guys played Mario Kart. I played Mario Kart 20 years ago in college. It was awesome, except for Rainbow Road. Everybody hates Rainbow Road. Rainbow Road's the worst. Okay. And I'm just buying time because I can't find the next button. I just did this, friend. You can simplify. But when you're doing this, what you want to do is you want to convert your mixed number to an improper fraction, okay? And then you use the formula for a rectangle. Got it? What can I say except you're welcome? See, that's not even current anymore. That's like old. By the time some of you watch this, they'll be really old. What's it? Your mom and dad will be like, oh, that's a Disney movie we watched when we were young. Okay, find the area of this shaded rectangle. I do not like how this problem's laid out, but I'm going to walk through it anyway. This rectangle is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 out of 4. 3 3/4 long by, that's divided in fourths, so it's by 1/4 tall. 3 3/4 times 1/4. And I'm changing 3 3/4. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15 fourths times 1/4 equals 15 sixteenths. Pickety bam. Done. Oi! 5/7 times 6/7. You could waste a lot of time counting squares, or you could just write it out. 5/7 times, oh, I don't like using that time sign anymore now that we've done algebra, equals 30, 40, and 9ths with a fraction line. Got it? Good. Oh my gosh, I'm clock watching now. It's the worst. Speed up. Okay, 3/4 times. Do this. Why am I doing the work for you? This is the let's practice time. You're supposed to pause if you haven't. Okay, good. You paused. I got to keep this show on the road. 3/4 times 2/7. Quit using the X. McCarthy is 6/28. It simplifies 2 3/14. At least I hope it does. Finally, 5/8 times 3/8 equals 15 64ths. Boom! And both of those are wrong because I didn't include the unit. Inches squared, feet squared. Don't do as I do, do as I say. That means I can make mistakes and then tell you not to. Oh, for crying out loud. I really don't feel like doing this computation. 3 3/10 times 5. 3 3/10. 10 times 3 is... 10 times 3 is 30, plus 3 is 33 tenths times 5 wholes. I'm going to simplify here. I'm going to simplify correctly here. And then I'm going to get 33 halves, which equals 16 1/2. Okay. Over here, 4/9 times 2/3 is just 8/27. And both of them, Mr. McCarthy, are still incorrect. But now they're complete. Whew! Thank goodness. Oh my gosh, I have to keep on. Okay. Holy mokers. Do those two. I'm gonna do something sneaky and I'm gonna pause the video and solve them. You're gonna pause the video and solve them too. Go. Boom! How many of you got smart and just waited for me to do the work here? There you go. I put my unit out here because I forgot to do it and I did it late. So if I got anything wrong, call me out. I don't care. You know, I learn from mistakes just like everybody else. Oh, finally. Problem of the lesson. Work on this bad mamma jamma on your own. It's a 2-part problem too. Okay, and I'll get you started on it because I'm kind of, the rectangle is 2 1/4 inches wide. Its length is 4 times longer than its width. So there's width, here's the length. What's the area? That's all I got. After that, you got an assignment to do as usual. Turn it in by whatever means your teacher suggests you turn it in. IXL, this link works, hopefully. And you can always go to the Learning Skill Plan Focus. Learning Skill Plan, 5th grade math and focus. That's what it is. And boom, bam, bang. You got it. All right, I'm done. I've gone overtime. You're starting to be resentful of me. I get it. Bye.